Bagong simula. Ngayon nga ay may panibagong chapter na naman tayong mabubuksan sa ating buhay. Why don't we maximize it to have the #best time of our lives? Here are some of our tips. At ito ang Estudyante Goals. Number 1. No absent. Yes, mga kawalsans, no absent. Let's really prioritize and maximize lahat ng time natin sa campus for learning. Number 2, no late. Ngayong new beginning natin, let's set up the culture of excellence and discipline. Sa simula, it will be hard, but at the end, it's all worth it. Number 3, newfound friends. Syempre, make some friends too. Maganda din na we have a community that really brings out the best in you. Number 4, homeworks are done at home. Kaya nga homeworking. Within the day na binigay ang homework, gawin na agad para hindi masanay na nagka-cram. At pagdating ng school, review ka na lang for quizzes. Number 5, budgetarian. Maganda din na we don't waste money or other materials. It's better din na makasave ng money for future use para di ka nahingi ng budget sa magulang mo. Number 6, school supplies. Bring your own supplies para di ka naman laging nanghihingi. And bring more na din para maging blessing ka pa sa iba. And our last Estudyante Goals, syempre, attend waltzes. Bring your friends with you, ah! And that's our Estudyante Goals. We hope that could help to really have the best time